Today, we will learn about significant figures. We count significant figures from the first non-zero digit, starting from the left. There are 5 rules on how to identify digits which are significant. Rule 1. All non-zero digits are significant. Rule 2. All zeros that are in between the non-zero digit are significant. Rule 3. For decimal numbers, all zero after non-zero digit are significant. Rule 4. For decimal numbers, all zero before non-zero digit are not significant. Rule 5. In whole numbers, the zeros at the end may or may not be significant. It depends on how the number is approximated. So now, let us try some questions on how to round off the numbers according to significant figures. Let us try this example for A. A car costs $128,917. Round off the price of the car to 3 significant figures. First, let us write down the number that we want to round off. 128,917. Now, since this number is actually a whole number and starting with a non-zero digit, so therefore, number 1 is the first significant figure, number 2 is the second significant figure, and number 8 is the third significant figure. Let us indicate where is the third significant figure using an arrow. Now, we know that we want to round off to the third significant figure, but we must check whether the number after it is 5 or more. If it's 5 or more, we would need to round up. So, the number after the third significant figure is 9. And we know that 9 is more than 5. So therefore, we need to round up the third significant figure. So, 128,917, rounding off to 3 significant figure would be 129. Now, since this is whole numbers, we need to indicate the remaining place values with zeros. So therefore, 128,917, we round it off to 3 significant figure to 129,000. Let us take a look at another example. We want to round off negative 0.0392 correct to 1 significant figure. First, let us try to rewrite this number, negative 0.0392. Looking at this number, it is actually a decimal number. As such, the zeros in front are all not significant figures. So we start counting the significant figure from the first non-zero digit. So therefore, the first significant figure is at number 3. Next, we need to take a look at the number after this first significant figure. And the number is 9. Since we know that 9 is more than 5, we need to round up this first significant figure. So therefore, when we round off negative 0.0392 to one significant figure, we will get negative 0.04. Since this is a decimal number, there is no need for us to indicate 0 for the remaining place values.